TaxGator is a sales tax software that's caught the attention of businesses everywhere. But before you decide if it's the right choice for your company, there are 12 important things you need to know. We'll break it down for you, comparing it to competitors, and by the end, you'll know exactly whether it's the best fit or if there's something better. First off, TaxGator offers automated sales tax calculations, which saves time compared to manual calculations or other software options. However, it might not be as intuitive as some competitors, like Avalara, which offers a more user-friendly interface. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. TaxGator's pricing structure is subscription-based, and it can be hard to figure out what you'll be paying until you've gone through the entire sign-up process. In comparison, TaxJar offers clear, tiered pricing upfront, making it easier to budget. Third thing, TaxGator integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. This is great if you're already using these platforms, but keep in mind that some competitors, like Vertex, have more expansive integration options, especially for larger businesses. The fourth thing to consider is that TaxGator handles tax filings automatically, reducing the hassle of filing sales tax returns. That's a great feature, but it doesn't support as many states as competitors like TaxJar, which covers all 50 states and many local jurisdictions. Next, TaxGator has a solid customer support team that can help with most issues, but they're not available 24/7 like some of the bigger players in the market. If you need around-the-clock support, you might want to look into other options like Avalara. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the reporting features. TaxGator provides basic sales tax reports, but it doesn't offer the level of customization that solutions like TaxJar or Avalara provide. So if you need detailed reports, you might find these competitors more suited to your needs. Seventh, TaxGator's user interface is relatively clean, but there's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're new to tax software. For a smoother experience, companies like TaxJar are much easier to get started with. The eighth thing to consider is the fact that TaxGator focuses primarily on sales tax, whereas other platforms like Vertex offer a broader range of tax services, including VAT and excise taxes, which might be useful for international sellers. Next, while TaxGator is great for small to medium-sized businesses, it might not scale as well as competitors like Avalara if you're running a much larger operation with complex tax needs. Avalara can handle everything from complex jurisdictions to high transaction volumes with ease. The 10th thing is that TaxGator doesn't have as many tax exemptions or rate accuracy features compared to others. For businesses that deal with exempt products, you might want to check out TaxJar, which has a stronger handle on these complex situations. The 11th thing is TaxGator's ease of use. While not the most advanced platform, it's an affordable, no-frills option that works for many small businesses. But if you're looking for advanced features, TaxJar or Avalara might be more up your alley. And the 12th and final thing is that TaxGator does offer a free trial, which is a great way to test it out. But, just to be transparent, if you want a more robust solution, you might find other options, like Avalara or TaxJar, more suitable. Both offer solid free trials as well, and may give you a better overall experience. In conclusion, TaxGator is a solid choice if you have straightforward sales tax needs. But if you're looking for something more powerful, scalable, or user-friendly, we recommend checking out our suggested solution that you can try for free.